Hi guys, Alicia here from thewannabefoodie.com, and today we will be making homemade Hot Pockets using Newman's Own products. The first thing that I used was the Newman's Own family recipe Italian dressing to marinate some chicken, which I have pounded right here. The next step will be dredging the chicken in flour, salt, and pepper, egg, and then Newman's Own honey flax flake cereal, which I have ground up in a food processor. Make sure it's nice and covered up on this side anyway. Put it in the egg, make sure it's covered, and then over to the honey flax cereal. Put it on your baking sheet and it's ready to go. I have my oven preset for 400 degrees and I'm going to put these in for about 20 minutes. While the chicken's in the oven, I'm making a quick egg wash, which we're going to use on the puff pastry to make it golden brown when we're ready to go. Once the chicken has reached an internal temperature of about 165 degrees, we're going to start cutting it up and putting it in a bowl with our Newman's Own sauce. You're going to take your Newman's Own sauce in a big bowl. You're just going to pour some in. And you're going to throw your chicken right in so it gets nice and covered. Then just do that with the rest of your chicken. Make sure everything gets nice and covered in sauce. These are going to go right in the puff paste. I've got our chicken and sauce in the bowl here, and we're just going to start transferring it over to our defrosted puff pastry dough. You don't want to overfill it, but you don't want it to be lacking either. So you just kind of put in enough, and then we're going to top it with some shredded mozzarella cheese and some seasoning. We're going to sprinkle on some low moisture part skim mozzarella cheese. Got some oregano. Sprinkle some of that on. And some basil. The next step is taking the puff pastry dough, and folding it over our chicken. Hopefully it fits. Woo! Yay! Okay, now we've got the giant Hot Pocket here. Gotta make sure it's sealed on all exit points. And you just kind of push it down like this. Got a nice seal. We don't want to lose any of this in the oven. Now we have our completed Hot Pocket, and we're just gonna brush the egg white or egg wash mixture. It's just, you know, egg and water all over so it's nice and golden brown once it comes out of the oven. Okay, now that they're all done, we cut some slits in the top just so the puff pastry, you know, doesn't explode. And we're going to pop these in the... We just pulled the finished product out of the oven, and we're going to cut into them just to release the steam because they're piping hot and crunchy and delicious and fabulous.
And here we have the finished Newman's Own Hot Pocket. Thanks for watching and enjoy.